What you need is a water bottle, 500 ml, the spray that was prescribed, and some tape or paper plaster. I cut the end part of the water bottle. I try to make it as even as possible, not to scratch the kid's face, but just to be on the safe side, you can have some tape or some plaster and put it on the edge, close it like that, and the surface would be even. On the other end, you put your spray. You try to seal it in order not to have any air leakage. This way it is completely sealed. And this is always our patient, the bear, which is the small kid. And this covers nose and mouth exactly as the normal spacer does. If your kid is older, then you're gonna need a mouthpiece. Again, you take a bottle. I choose a different one. The size must be more or less the same, 500 ml. I made a hole at the base where I put the spray. I put sellotape around to prevent the air leakage, and this one would be the mouthpiece.